Hi friends, today's lesson is for Module 4, Lesson 4. Our learning goal for today says, I can tell a story and show it in a number bond. Oh, good, I love stories. Do you like a good story? Oh, perfect. Today I'm going to be telling you a story, so what I would like you to do is I want you to go ahead and press pause right now. Go get a dry erase board and a marker, because while I'm telling the story, you're going to be filling in a number bond. Okay, do you have your dry erase board and a marker? Perfect, friend. Excellent. All right, go ahead and draw an empty number bond on your board. And then here we go. All right, once upon a time, 4 friends decided to meet on a leaf. All right, in your empty number bond, I just told you a part of my story, and I like to draw or write about what I hear in the story. So I said 4 friends met on a leaf. So 4 friends. And looking at the picture and thinking about what I said, is that going to be a whole amount or the part? Put it in your number bond. What do you think? Yes! 4 friends. That's all the friends that are there. We have some caterpillars and an ant. If 4 friends got together, that's the whole amount. Good job. So once upon a time, 4 friends met on a leaf. 3 friends were really fuzzy caterpillars. And there was 1 red ant. Okay, I just told you some more information to our story. So let's see. 3 fuzzy caterpillars. Where is that going to go into our number bond? Excellent. Yeah, that's one of the parts. Perfect. And then there's one other character in our story. Who is that? Oh, yeah, little red ant. And where would he go in our number bond? Go ahead and fill it in. Yes, he's the other part. Wow, you did good with filling in a number bond based on the story. Go ahead and erase it. Let's try another one. All right, are you ready? Here we go. You should have an empty number bond filled on your board. I'm sorry, I forgot to mention that. All right, here we go. Oh, Miss Arwood is starting a band. So I called all of my friends, and 4 of them agreed to be in my band. I'm so excited. So let's see, thinking of my number bond. 4 of them agreed to be in my band. We're going to be jazzy band together. Where would that number go in our number bond? What do you think? 4 members of the band. Yes, 4 would be the whole amount. Perfect. Now, 2 of my friends decided to play guitar, and the other 2 wanted to play drums. How would I show that in my number bond? Press pause. Can you go ahead and fill in the rest of that number bond with the 2 friends who want to play the guitar and the other 2 friends who want to play the drums? And then press play and see if we did the same thing. Well, yeah, I had 2 friends that want to be part of my band that want to both play the guitar. And then I have 2 other friends who want to be part of my band who want to both play drums. I mean, I don't know about you, friend, but this is going to be a really loud band if I have 2 drummers. Okay, how does your number bond look? Does yours look like mine? Hey, good job. Yeah, you could clearly see the 2 parts. I had 2 drummers and 2 guitarists. And then I had 4 people in the band all together. Excellent. All right, go ahead and erase your board and make another empty number bond. Okay, so here we go. Ooh, I see an orange and 2 snakes. Blech. All right. Press pause. I want you to think of your own story. Go ahead and try to think of a story about an orange and 2 snakes and see what you come up with. Press pause, tell someone your story, and then press play after you're done. Did you tell your good story? Yeah, sometimes this are things of like a really good stories, and sometimes I'm like, one time there was like an orange with snakes. I don't know. Sometimes it's tricky. So oftentimes you have to practice when you're telling a story. So here we go. Let's go ahead and draw our empty number bond. And then I'm going to tell you a story, and I want you to fill the whole thing in, and I am not even going to help you. Are you ready? Okay. Once upon a time, an orange rolled across the floor. Then 2 snaky friends came over to see if he was okay. Together, all of the snakes and the orange went to go grab a bite to eat together. The end. Okay, so I started out with 1 orange and then 2 snakes joined them. They became friends and they all went to go eat together. How would that go in my number bond? What do you think? press pause. Fill in your number bond using that picture and that awesome story that I just made up. And then press play to see what I did compared to yours. Okay, ready? Well, I know altogether that there were 3 friends. 1, 2, 3. And then remember I said 1 orange rolled across the floor, and then the 2 snakes came in to see if he was okay? So those are going to be the parts of my whole group of friends. Does your number bond look like mine? It does. Friend, excellent job. Whew, this is so tricky, but you did a fantastic job listening to the story and filling in the number bond to go along with it, which is great because our learning goal literally said, I can tell a story and show it in a number bond. Excellent. All right, so now it is your turn. I want you to go ahead. It looks like someone's getting ready to paint an art project maybe. I see a pencil and then some paintbrushes. I want you to go ahead and fill in that number bond and then tell me a story about the different parts and the whole amount that you have, okay? Ooh, I know, don't be embarrassed. It's really tricky, but I want you to just try your best. It doesn't have to be like amazing. Just try to tell a story that would talk about the parts and the whole amount, okay? And then seesaw it. All right, good luck, friends.